Hello and welcome to Global Maths. Today we are going to solve a nice question which was asked in Russian Junior Mathematics Olympiad. This question was given to 10-year-old students. So let's try to solve this. In this question we have been given a very large number and we have to find out the cube root of this number. So let's try to solve this. First we're gonna write the number as it is. Now let us try to expand this number. We can write triple line and then followed by 9 zeros. Then plus 7 and then followed by 8 zeros. Plus 2 and followed by 4 zeros and then plus 9999. Now we can write this number as 999 into 10 to the power 9 since we have 9 zeros here, and then plus 7 into 10 to the power 8 because we have 8 zeros after this. Similarly, plus 2 into 10 to the power 4 plus 9999. Now we can write this 999 1000 minus 1, which is 999, and then we can write 10 to the power 9 as it is. And we can write this 9999 as 10,000 minus 1. Now we can write this 1000 as 10 to the power 3 minus 1 into 10 to the power 9 plus 7 into 10 to the power 8 plus 2 into 10 to the power 4, and then we can write this 10,000 as 10 to the power 4 and then minus 1. Now we'll open this bracket. So for that we have to multiply this 10 to the power 9 with 10 to the power 3 and then 10 to the power 9 with minus 1. So after multiplying we'll get 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 9 after multiplying with this minus, and then 10 to the power 9 will multiply with minus 1, which is 10 to the power 9 itself, plus 7 into 10 to the power 8 plus 2 into 10 to the power 4 and then rest. Now we'll solve this. As we know that the bases are same, which is 10, so their power will be added. Therefore this will become 10 to the power 12 and then 10 to the power 9. Now we'll solve further. We'll write 10 to the power 12 as it is, and now we can take minus 10 to the power 8 common out of this. So after taking 10 to the power 8 common from this, we are left with only 10 and then minus 7, and this 10 to the power 8 we have already taken out of the bracket, so we are left with only 7, and then we'll take 10 to the power 4 common out of this both term. So after taking 10 to the power 4 common, we are left with 2 plus and here 1 and this minus 1. Now we'll solve further. This will remain same, and then 10 minus 7 is 3 into 10 to the power 8, and this will also result 3, therefore plus 3 into 10 to the power 4 minus 1. Now we can write this 10 to the power 12 as 10 to the power 4 whole cube. We know that if you multiply 4 into 3 we will get 12, so we can write 10 to the power 12 in this form. Similarly, we can write 10 to the power 8 as 10 to the power 4 to the whole square plus 3 10 to the power 4 minus 1. Our goal was to make 10 to the power 4 everywhere, and we have done it. Now we'll try to substitute the value. Therefore, let 10 to the power 4 equals to a. Now we'll try to substitute the value of 10 to the power 4a, which is a, in this above equation. So this will become a cube. Here is 10 to the power 4 cube, which we have already assumed that 10 to the power 4 is a. Therefore, this term will become a to the power 3, which is a cube, minus 3, and this will become a square plus 3a minus 1. Also, we know that a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now we're gonna compare this equation with this equation. We have a cube here, a cube here. We have minus 3a square and b. Here also we have minus 3a square b. Here b is nothing but it's 1. 3a and we have 3ab square. We know that the value of b is 1. So here it is 1 square, and then minus 1, and here it is b cube, which means 1 cube. Now we know that a is a and 1 is b. So we can write this equation in form of a minus b, which is 1 whole cube. Now we'll put the value of 10 to the power 4 at the place of a. Therefore, our equation will become 10 to the power 4 minus 1 whole cube. Therefore, we have reduced this very big number to this a simple term. Now we have to find the cube root of this number. So simply we're gonna find the cube root of this number, which is 10 to the power 4 minus 1 whole cube. Now this will cancel out, and we'll get 10 to the power 4 minus 1, which is 10 to the power 4 is nothing but 10,000, and this minus 1, which will further result 9,999. This is our final answer. Hope you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel